Chapter 1: Living and the Non-Living World. Learning Objectives. To understand characteristics of living things. Characteristics of non-living things. Natural and man-made things. To find out. Distinction between the living and the non-living things. Distinction between natural and man-made things. Characteristics of living things. Living things move. All living things move from one place to another. Fish swim, birds and insects fly, man, cat, cow, horse, etc. walk. Bees fly with the help of wings. Cats walk with the help of their limbs. Fish swim with the help of fins. Plants do not move from one place to another, but they show movement of different body parts. The stem of the plants move towards light. This movement is called phototropism. The roots of the plant grow under the soil towards the earth. This movement of roots is called geotropism. The leaves of some plants like mimosa curl on being touched. Living things breathe. All living things need air to breathe. We breathe in through our nose. Fish breathe through their gills underwater. Insects such as cockroaches, mosquitoes, etc. breathe in through air holes. The earthworms breathe through their skin. Human beings and animals breathe in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Plants breathe in through the special cells on the underside of their leaves called stomata. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen during the process of photosynthesis. Living things need food. All living things need food to grow. Green plants make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. They are called producers. Animals and man depend on plants for food. They are called consumers. Living things grow. Look at the pictures given below. All living things grow and change. A seedling grows into an adult plant. Animals and human babies grow into adults. Living things feel happy, sad, angry, scared. Human beings and animals have special sense organs with which they feel the surroundings. Eye, ear, nose, tongue, skin. Some animals like snakes and mosquitoes feel the change around them. Living things reproduce. All living things reproduce and give birth to young ones. Characteristics of non-living things. Non-living things do not move. They have to be moved by human beings or animals. Non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things do not need food. Non-living things do not grow. Non-living things do not feel. Non-living things do not reproduce. Rock, book, table. Natural and man-made things. The non-living things are of two kinds, natural and man-made. Non-living things like air, the sun, the moon, water, soil, etc. can be found naturally and are called natural things. Some non-living things like the table, chair, the fan, etc. have been made by man. They are called man-made things. Most man-made things are made of some natural things. For example, to make clay pots we use clay, which is a natural thing. To make a table, we use wood, which is obtained from the trees, which are natural things.